In this video I'll show you how to clean and disinfect your Ricoh Theta using the supplies that you see here. A pair of rubber gloves, a soft bristle toothbrush, some Q-tips, lens cloth, a blower, and some KimTech wipes. You could use Kleenex instead of KimTech wipes if you don't have them available. And I'm going to use tweezers to clean the lenses, but I recommend that you use the Q-tips so that you don't damage your Theta. With isopropyl alcohol, what's recommended is anywhere from 70 to 91%. 70% will actually disinfect your Theta better than 91%. So if you're looking at disinfecting your Theta during these times, I would recommend 70% isopropyl. So as you can see, we've got a pretty dirty Theta here, and I'll show you how to clean this. So what you want to do is you want to use some isopropyl alcohol, but you don't want to have too much, so I like to rub the excess off of my glove. We don't want to drench the camera, we just want to clean the camera. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure that you don't actually clean the lenses using the toothbrush. Okay. You don't want to scratch those lenses or the coating that's on them. So the toothbrush basically is what's used for the cleaning portion of the body, the exterior body. And then I'll show you how to use the KimTech wipes or the Q-tips for cleaning the lenses. So as you're going, you want to dry the alcohol off. So now the exterior of the body is actually nice and clean. So this is where you would use the Q-tips to clean the lenses. So you're just basically going to start right in the center and work your way around. And you want to go until it starts to get squeaky clean. And take your KimTech wipe, or your Kleenex at this point, and dry your optical lens. I myself like to use tweezers with the Kim wipes, but again, as I mentioned, you don't want to scratch that Theta lens, so make sure that you're using Q-tips if you're not comfortable with this process. Now the opposite end of the Q-tip can be used to clean the bottom portion of the camera. You want to make sure that you're not cleaning inside of the USB port or in the Theta V case, the microphone jack. And now you have a fully clean and fully disinfected Theta camera. So, and it's ready to go.